parang hindi naman. Based din dun sa sinabi ni Secretary Loizaga kanina, parang they're in the process of hearing itong issue ng Captain's Peak. But sa akin, yung structure itself, sobrang siyang sakit sa bangs ng itsura in between the hill, di ba? So, for me, dapat matagal talaga yung structure.
Marami pang gagawa niya. We have to be strict now because they will come, more will be built. And pagkatapos niyan, wala nang usual legislated protected area na yun, naging ordinary, na lang, lugar. Diba? Hindi na legislated protected area. Kami, in fact, sa aming Las Piñas, Parañaque Wetland Park, we don't build anything that is not needed by the park. Walang business. It's all, we built a museum, we built a lecture room, we built a visitor center, may eating place, pero walang nagmamanage, just a place to eat pag may affair.